Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be doing Rudolph with his sparkly red nose. And these are the products we're going to be using today. Let's go! So I'm going to be using Moonshine from the faux fur collection. And this is a really cute colour. It's got like little fibres in it and there's little like flecks of red. It's really, really cute. So I'm going to apply my first coat, and it's really, really good coverage this. But I'm still going to apply two. And don't forget to cut that free edge. I'm going to pop it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with my second coat. And then back under the lamp. I'm going to wipe off with the Nail Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. And this is Leo, and it's a lovely shimmery brown. And I'm going to do Rudolph. This is his bottom half of his face. That's where his eyes are going to go. Just fill in all the blank spaces. Reload my brush, make him some ears. And pop him under the lamp. And I'm going to put some of the Snow White from the Urban Graffiti onto a palette. Then using a dotting tool, I'm going to pop some product on there and give him some eyes. I'm going to pop him under the lamp. So now I'm going to use some Serious Black and give him some antlers. Then I'm going to pop him under the lamp. Now I'm going to reload the dotting tool and give him some pupils. There you go. You can see now. I'm going to pop him back under the lamp. Now I'm going to top coat Rudolph with the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm going to give him a really sparkly red nose and then pop him under the lamp. And because Urban Graffiti top coat is a non-wipe off, it's tack free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a simple Christmas design that you can do at home or at salon speed. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!